You have probably heard the word transformer thrown around when people talk about AI. It sounds complicated, but the idea behind it is genuinely simple and honestly kind of brilliant. It's the engine inside almost every AI you use, and it runs on one clever trick called attention. By the end of this video, you will understand both. No math, just clear picture. Let's get into it. Let's start with a word you already know, GPT. Those three letters actually stands for something. The G is generative. It means the AI creates text. The P is pre-trained. It already learned from a huge amount of writing. And T, that's our start today, stands for transformer. It is the engine under the hood of ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, almost all of them. So today we are unlocking their final letter, that is transformer. To see why the transformer was such a big deal, let's look at the old problem. Older AI read a sentence one word at a time in order, a bit like reading a long line through a tiny slit. And here's the trouble. By the time it reached the end, it had already started to forget the beginning. So in a sentence like the cat that chased the mouse was, it struggled to connect cat with was. It was slow and it was forgetful. We needed something better, and that's where this breakthrough came. The transformer doesn't read one word at a time, it reads the whole sentence all at once. Every word is laid out side by side, seen together at the same moment. Nothing fades, nothing gets forgotten, and it's fast because it looks at everything in parallel. But honestly, seeing all the word is only half the magic. The real genius is what it does next, and that's called attention. So, what is attention? Here's the simplest way to picture it, a spotlight. For every single word, the AI asks one question: which other words help me understand this one? And it shines a spotlight on them. Look at the word hungry. To understand it, the AI looks hardest at cat because the cat is the one who's hungry. It's not reading blindly, it is actively deciding what to focus on. That focus is called attention. And why is it powerful? Because it solves the word it. Let me show you why this is so powerful with a classic example. Take the sentence: the trophy didn't fit in the suitcase because it was too big. Quick, what does it mean? The trophy or the suitcase, you know instantly it's a trophy. But that's actually really hard for a computer. Thanks to attention, the AI links it straight back to trophy. Old AI had to guess. The transformer works it out from the context, and that's the leap, that's the difference. Now, under the hood, gently how a word pays attention. Every word does three simplest things at the same time. First, it asks a question: which word am I looking for? Second, every word offers a label that says, here what I am about. And third, the AI weights the matches. The words whose label best fit the question get the brightest spotlight. Match the question to the labels, decide where to focus. That, in a nutshell, is attention. And here's where it get even better. The transformer doesn't use just one spotlight, it uses many, all at the same time. The fancy name is multi-head attention, but you can just think of it as a team of spotlights. One tracks who did what, another figures out what words like it referred to, another picks up the tone or feeling, and another follows the grammar. Many angles all at once, and that's how it built such a rich, deep understanding. Now, take everything we just described and stack it. The AI doesn't do attention alone once, it repeats it in layer after layer. The first layer catches basic links between words. The next layer sees how whole phrases fit together. And higher layer grasps the full meaning, the tone, the intent, the gist of what you are really saying. Each layer builds on the one below, so understanding gets deeper and deeper as you go up. Why it changed everything? There are three big reasons. One, it is fast because it reads all the words in parallel, which is perfect for huge amount of text. Two, it is context aware. It finally understands how words far apart in a sentence relate to each other. And three, it scales. The bigger you build it, the smarter it gets. In fact, It all started with one research paper in 2017 with a great title, Attention is All You Need. That paper sparked the whole AI boom, and I think you must be getting that. And this is some part of lab technology. You use it every single day. Every chatbot, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, all they are all transformers. That smooth natural language transition on your phone, they are transformer. Autocomplete, summaries, smart search, they work on the same engine. And the very same idea even powers AI that makes images and write codes. One simple idea, attention, quietly runs almost the entire AI world today. Let's do a quick recap in 3 lines. So, one, the transformer is the engine in modern AI. It reads a whole sentence at once, not word by word. Two, attention means that for each word, it spotlights the other words that matter. So, it grabs context. And the third one is many spotlights stacked in layers. Give the AI its deep understanding of language. Read it all, focus on what matters, stack it deep. The one line takeaway, transformers read it all at once, and attention decides what to focus on. That's the whole secret behind why today's AI feels so smart. If this video finds you helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which AI topic should I explain next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.